Alright guys, so we just made it to the checkpoint. And our goal is to actually make it on top of that mountain. Up there. So we still got a while to go. But so far we made it to the checkpoint. Checkpoint. Check it out, guys. Sucks. We're almost there. I'm out of breath. Oh God, it sucks. Honestly, I don't even care no more. Family friendly my ass. Oh, but it's gonna be fucking worth it. It's gonna be worth it though. This view, it's gonna be insane. Fucking wicked. Oh yeah. We're almost there. We're almost at the top of the mountain. Let me show you. We just gotta go up there, and that should be the highest point of this mountain. Let me see, you guys can see that. Super windy up here. I don't know if you can see the city up there. I think this is gonna be the rock right here. Oh no! I got the wrong color. I got the blue and the green mixed up. Shoot. Oh well. I'm actually gonna go to this one right here. This one actually has a better surface. Check it out. Bed, checkpoint. And we got the YouTube badge. On my way down. much easier of a hike down than it is going up. But I hope you guys have a good day today. Enjoy this video. You make sure you like, and you know it's your boy Ben, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day today. What?